In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix an issue where in the Roblox app on your iPhone or Android phone, when you go to play a game, you see the green play button has a slash through it. And when you hit the green play button, you get an error that says this experience is unavailable due to your account setting. So in this tutorial, we're going to go into your settings on Roblox and fix this issue for you. And if this video helps, please consider giving it a like and also subscribing to my channel because that really helps me out. Alright, so let's get started. The first thing we need to do is simply open up the Roblox app on our iPhone or Android phone, and then within the Roblox app, select the circle with the three dots in the bottom right menu. So bring up the menu and here scroll down until we see the gear for settings. Select settings. So there's actually two different settings within our Roblox account that will give you the experiences unavailable due to your account settings. So first, under privacy, select privacy. And the first setting is going to be account restriction. If you have account restrictions enabled, you will definitely get this warning. So go ahead and turn off account restrictions. If you have a pin, enter that pin to turn off account restrictions. Now that we have account restrictions turned off within the settings, here in this little drop down, all we need to do is go down and select parental controls. Now within the parental control setting on Roblox, scroll down, and if you have a parent pin enabled, scroll down to allowed experience, and as you can see, mine is all ages. We need to bump that up to 13 plus. Now if you don't have a pin enabled, I will make sure that the allowed experience is still 13 plus. And if that still doesn't fix it, you try adding a pin to your account, because I've seen this actually fix it. And then select 13 plus. So once we have changed those settings, what I recommend doing is backing out and closing the settings, and then simply close the Roblox app, open it back up. And when you open it back up, try to go to the game that you were playing before. You should have the green play button to where you now can play that game on Roblox. Alright, so that's how you fix Roblox error. This experience is unavailable due to your account settings. If you have any question about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you soon.